Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you the comparison between the Spectrum internet with the Mint internet. What are the things to be aware of? So with the Mint mobile, Mint internet, what is really great is that you have actually, if you can save $10 a month when you would add a phone plan. So for $40 a month, it can go to 30. So this is very good. Now, another thing very important about Mint mobile is that you actually have the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months packages that you don't actually have it for on monthly basis. And another thing is that with the unlimited data, you're gonna get also the 14-day money back guarantee. So that's like very good if you're actually gonna get the Mint mobile, then you can actually like test it out for yourself if in your location it actually works. Now, with Spectrum, what you're gonna actually get is that you have free plans here where you're gonna find the Spectrum Internet Advantage. So download speed up to 100 megabytes per second. And also you're gonna have the Premier for $50 a month where you're gonna have like 500 megabytes per second. Now with the Mint mobile, you're gonna have about 400 to 500 megabytes downloads compared to like the Spectrum. So like the Mint mobile completely like dominates. Okay, so where you will have to pay, for example, for $100 per Spectrum nearly to you have connection like with the cable modem included, $90 regularly. But with the Mint mobile, you're gonna have like 400, 500 for much cheaper. So many times you can get even like better speed, right? Better speed comparing to Spectrum. It depends like where you live, of course. So my recommendation would be is like you want to actually like check out the Mint mobile, Mint internet, go with that, check it out for yourself how it works. You can have like 14-day, it's connected to T-Mobile data towers, so you can test it out for yourself if you like it or no, and then see how it works for you. So what do you say about that? So thank you very much guys for watching, and hope this video helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.